Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today I want to give a little bit of a flip through from my December Advent sort of a booklet which I've made. I've got a video about that also. I will link it up here. I've mostly used the Unprecedented Advent sort of study from Brave Little Taylor from Illustrated Faith. So this is the book. It became very, very chunky, as you can see, but I like it. And I've changed from the small ring binders to the bigger ones. And I made this little pom-pom, little bell, little thingy hanging down here, which I like. I like it how it makes music. It reminds me of Christmas every time I use it. And I just decorated it with some doilies. I might actually have to go back and just glue these properly on. And I use some, I think, Maggie Holmes crepe paper just to decorate the top, but furthermore I used just Illustrated Faith printables, and it's divided into hope, love, peace and joy. In hindsight, I think I should have probably put the tags a little bit sort of very high down the pages, but for the moment it's just all there. And I just bind it with ribbon. So yeah, let's do a quick flip through. I'm not going to be too long. So what I've done is I have made the introduction page. Just put Advent and the unprecedented card with the unprecedented name, and just to start my Advent calendar. Then what I've done is I've started putting the Brianna Showalter devotion also in here, but it just became too bulky, so I actually stopped it at the end. I just did my own devotion on the sideline for that. So, and then I've made another cover page just with hope. This is the first bit of the devotion. And then I just made another sort of start with hope. I love all these little elements. I think this is from Kelly Banks. Just wanted to make use of that. Then I start with day one, and I made for some of them little pockets. And I put the card in. Some of them I just popped on doilies. So yeah, from here on, I'm just going to go quickly through. This is another part of the Brianna Showalter devotion. And this is day two. I've just put the card there, separated. Brianna Showalters. And then day three, which I've just done these little flip folders, and I tuck the card inside there. Yeah, I've made one of these fold up little cards, which I'm just putting a little clippy there with the little card inside. So as you see, it's all the same pattern. The card with the date and the date decorated, and put my little sort of takeaway from it. Day 5. Day 6, I've again one of these little flip folders. And then this is my cover page for love. I used the coffee cup from Manifold because I love coffee, and it was just beautiful. I wanted to use the coffee element. So this is my cover page for love. And here's my tag for love. Love this page. Is absolutely one of my favorites. This is the bits and bobs from, I think, from Vanessa Walker from Illustrated Faith. Love this pattern paper. Day 8, just put a little, when I just clipped it on with a little clippy, I just separated 2 cards so I can flip it up and read it. One of these flip folders again. I love this one also. Love this page. Love this of Brave Little Taylor. And a little card there, which I've just separated again with music, old vintage music paper. Day 12, very, very Christmassy. And this is joy. This is my cover page for joy. Love these elements from Kelly Banks and Manny Ford. Just created a little scene of people singing joyous carols with the Christmas tree and the piano, and this car with the presents and the word joy. So we now start with the week of joy. Absolutely love this page. Also love this pattern paper. I think it's from Manny Ford. I pop a little deer on there for my takeaway. Made a little envelope again with putting this little card in there. Love this page too. Very traditional Christmassy again. Day 15. So still busy with joy. Love this page also. This is the winter flowers from Vanessa Walker. Love the old to him papers which I've got. A little card which I put a washi tape there just to flip it open. Day 17. Little pocket there again. Love this page also. Day 18, very Scottish Highlands. Day 19. Actually, I've got to do a cover page for peas. So I should swap these over. This is my cover page piece. I absolutely love it. I love this winter scene of the foxes. This is from Kelly Bangs pattern paper. I cut some trees out, they pop it up, put a little fox there and create this little indoor scene. It's all from Kelly Bangs. This is actually from Tamara Quiller from last year, Christmas printables. So I popped the Christmas tree there and put the word peace and the girls drinking her tea and coffee or hot chocolate in front of the fire is up to the picture of peace. But now obviously this is the first day of peace. Love this page also. This is also one of my all-time favorite. I like it, but it's not too traditional Christmassy. I love the pastel colors for Christmas also. These florals from Kelly Banks is just amazing, beautiful. Actually, I think that must come somewhere. I don't know where. Okay. It's all peas. This is the last week. Made one of these flip folders again. Oh, this is also one of my favorites. This is from Becca Bonwell, her news collection. Made a little envelope. I've got a little IGT video how I did this if you're interested. Day 23 and day 24 is probably one of my favorites. This is Isabella Schilke, her printables. Love the sort of cards, small little cards, which you can just pop there. And this is day 25, Christmas. So yeah, this is also from Isabella Schilke. So this is the last day. And then I've just popped these cards on there from Brown and Water, the meaning of all these things. I love it and I wanted to incorporate it in this book. And then this is just sort of using some elements also, just reminder of Christmas. Printables from Brave Little Tailor. I love this. And this is just my back page. So this is my December Advent documenting, and I'm very proud of how it looks. I love that it's so nice and chunky. I love that I stuck with it. I love that I completed it, that I post every day on Instagram. It is a commitment, but I am a type of person, if I start a project, I want to finish it. I hate leaving it halfway. So yeah, I just paced myself, worked in advance, and I think it turned out very nice. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a quick little video just for a flip through for my Advent calendar. I hope you had a beautiful Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful time, even if it might have not been with a big family this year. But I just pray that, hope and pray that you found God's presence and that this whole Christmas had a new meaning for you, a fresh meaning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.